In today's episode, we take a closer look at actor and musician Jamie Campbell Bower, known for Stranger Things, Twilight, Harry Potter, and his band Counterfeit. With his bold fashion style and artistic personality, fans have wondered for years, is Jamie Campbell Bower gay? Let's find out. Jamie Campbell Bower was born on the 22nd of November 1988 in London, England. He started his career as a model before landing major acting roles, quickly becoming known for his striking looks and powerful screen presence. Over the years, he has starred in blockbuster franchises, performed as a musician, and built a reputation for creativity and versatility. His expressive style and emotional depth have sparked curiosity about his personal life, especially his sexuality. Is Jamie Campbell Bower gay? Despite constant speculation, Jamie Campbell Bower has never identified as gay. Publicly, he has only spoken about relationships with women. He has dated several actresses and models, including Bonnie Wright, Lily Collins, and more recently, Jess Maloney. Jamie has not labeled his sexuality, and he typically avoids discussing personal matters, but nothing in his public statements or relationships indicates that he identifies as gay. As of now, Jamie Campbell Bower continues working in film, television, and music. After gaining massive attention for his role as Vecna in Stranger Things, he has taken on new acting projects while also performing and writing music. He maintains a relationship with his partner Jess Maloney, and the two often appear together at events. He keeps most of his personal life private and has not made any statements suggesting he is gay. So, is Jamie Campbell Bower gay? No, he has never identified as gay, and his public relationships have been with women. Still, he remains a beloved figure for fans of all backgrounds, celebrated for his talent, creativity, and authenticity. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite stars and where they are now.